Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, then please do subscribe and like this video and do support us. So today we'll be learning about animation in CSS, and we'll be making the animation you are seeing right now in the screen. So let's start quickly without wasting any time. Okay. Let me close these all files. Let me create a new fresh file right now. Okay, let me save this. Let's create a folder in the desktop. Let me name it let's say walking lady. Okay, let me create a CSS file too. Okay, I've already downloaded the SVGs and have saved in the folder assets. Let's check them out. Okay, so these are the separate SVGs of a lady. We need to fix this first and then we can move further. Yeah, here's the head, and here's the right forward leg. Okay, we don't need this right now, so I'm gonna delete it. This is the background. We don't actually need it right now, and actually we don't need this also because we have two separate legs right now, which we gonna attach using the CSS. There's a better way of doing this also. You can download SVG by its ID and then call the ID and then write the CSS. We are taking a longer process. We are approaching with a longer process, but that's okay. Okay, let's start. Let's create a div and then let's name it let's say I'm just gonna name it randomly first box. Let's create another div inside that box. Let me rename this as lady. Okay, so let me import the let's import the head first. I'm gonna delete this alt and then rename this class as head. Let me import the belly or the middle part of the lady. I'm gonna rename this as, let's suppose class, let's give it a name as belly. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna create a new div in which the bottom part of the lady will be there, the leg. I'm gonna create a live. Let's start the live server and then see what we have got till now. Okay, we have the head, we have the belly. We just need to import the legs and then we need to attach all of them to create proper. By the way, these SVGs are taken from Humans. You can go check them out. It's a really good free platform to create your own SVGs, attach SVGs. You have the various part of the bodies, so as the name suggests, humans. Okay. So I've imported the forward leg. Let's now import the backward leg, back leg, which will not backward actually. Let's rename it as, okay, backward leg. Okay. Let's see what we've got right now. Okay, so we have both of them. Let me just scroll and see if we've got them or not. Yeah, okay, we've got them all. We'll attach this parts using the CSS. So let's straight away go to the CSS file. Okay, let's give the body tag and then overflow hide. Let's give a background color, sky blue. Okay, I just forgot to link the CSS file. Let's link it. Here it is. Okay, so let's start with attaching all the parts, all the SVGs together and making it a perfect lady, a perfect human. Let me see what I have named this as. Yeah, I remember head. Let's give the head a tag. Position will be absolute, and then let's align it. Okay. Let's just align the belly right now. Position absolute. Okay, let's just remove the leg for a while. Okay, I need to give it a bit more. This looks fine. Okay. Let's give the forward leg position absolute, and then let's reduce the size of the leg. I'm gonna give it 110 pixel. Okay, this looks perfect. And then let's align it 25 pixel. No, I need to increase, I guess. Okay, let's just leave it right now for a while. Backward leg, I'm gonna copy this, and then the backward leg is actually behind the forward leg, so it should be a little bit smaller than the forward leg. Okay, perfect. Looks perfect to me. Now we're gonna position the whole leg part just beneath the belly. Let me give it position absolute. Let me align it left alignment. Let me give it 60 pixels. From the top it could be 100 pixels. No, just I guess we need to bring the belly forward, so we can use the Z index. Yeah, that looks perfect. Okay, so our lady is ready. Now we need to put the animation part. First I'm gonna create let's call it the bottom where the lady is gonna walk, kind of a road part. I'm just gonna name it bottom. Let the background be slate gray, and the height will be 100% first. The height be somewhat pixels. Okay, now we need to bring it okay, there's some problem right here. It should be downwards, I guess. I'm making a mistake here. Let me figure it out. What's exactly happening? Code is right, everything's gonna what's the problem? This looks good. The div is here, the div is right here. Okay, I guess with the let me put it with, and then let's give the lady a height of let's suppose 442 pixels. Yeah, here we go. Okay, I made a blunder here. Why this is happening exactly? Margin top. I think that's the problem of positioning. Let me give it the position. Here it is. Okay, so now let's give it some. Let's start with the animation part. We're gonna start with the lady. Let's rename it animation. Let's call it move, because she's gonna move left to straight away right. I'm gonna give it linear, and then it will be infinite loop. Okay, I'm gonna use the keyframes for animation here. Let the keyframes, name it move, and then let's give it from to to. What exactly the from is doing? From basically will be the starting point of the animation, and the CSS that you've written, it will start from there as the website loads. It's gonna start from exactly where I'm gonna write. Okay, as you can see now, to it will go to straight right, which we translate x to somewhat position. Let's give it 100 1450 pixel. Okay, so here you can see the lady moving, but yeah, this wasn't the animation you wanted, right? So let's give it some detail. A basic purpose is being fulfilled. The lady is moving from left to right, but she isn't walking. Let's get that right. We're gonna give the forward leg animation. We're gonna rename it as walk, and then it will be 4 seconds long, and it will linear, and it will be of infinite loop. Okay, so we need to create the keyframe. So as we'll create for the backward leg, but we'll rename it as walk to, because we want it to differ. We don't want it to move together, because of when the one leg is forward, then another leg is backward, and vice versa. So let's rename it as walk, and then let's just do this in percentage. Let's suppose 50%. I'm gonna give it so as it can go to till 50%. It will go forward and then come back to its normal position. Let's transform, and we're gonna rotate is as Z. So okay, this doesn't look good right now. just because it is a transform is happening from the center of that point. We need to make it from the top. So let's just do that. As you can see, we have changed the origin of transformation to top. As yeah, that looks perfect. But yeah, the backward leg isn't still moving. So let's give that animation to. We'll give it walk to, and then transform rotate. Let's see what happens. We need to change the degree, right? Yeah, that's better. Now the lady is walking, but it isn't looking that realistic right now because the bottom portion is moving. Let's do something. Let's rotate the belly part a bit so that it gives a realistic effect to this animation. Let's go to the belly and then create animation here. I'll give it a name swing. It won't be swing, but let's give it. Okay, I'm gonna set the time and then set the loop, and then I'll do the alternate. Okay, now the transform origin will be center in this case as well. Let's create the keyframe, and then swing, and then let's do it. Transform, rotate Z. Degree. Okay, now the belly is moving a bit. Looks more realistic to me. Okay guys, so if you like the video, if you think this video helped you or will help you further, then please do like this video, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys.